Hey Super Cruisers, it's Kevin and Frank from Cruising with Wheels.
And welcome to another episode of Travel Tech Tuesday.
So today's a very special Travel Tech Tuesday. Do you know why it's a special Travel Tech Tuesday?
Yes, I think it's something that we're going to talk about that I know nothing about.
Yes.
Isn't that what most of the Travel Tech Tuesday is?
Pretty much. But it will address a couple of questions that we get constantly. Do you know what those questions would be?
Yeah, it's all about phones and internet and all of that stuff that people are worried about the cost of and charges of this and that.
How do I? So these are the questions that came to mind for me. Okay, how do I charge my cell phone when I'm at the beach? How do I get internet? What's the best way I can save money on my cell phone? Right.
What plan do I get? There's so many, but does it cover this, or that?
Okay.
Who knows?
So we are going to get right into it. We are talking about a little product that I found that I am most excited about.
I could tell.
Because I think I am going to order it for us. Hey, I'm spending more money.
Oh, God.
Anyways, the product that we're talking about today that is a game changer in the travel industry is called the Skyroam Solis.
Oh, wow.
The Skyroam Solis.
Skyroam Solis. I like it because it's small, round, and orange.
Now, the great
check, and check.
The great thing about the Skyroam Solis is that once you get it, it's available on Amazon. Mm-hmm. Once you get the Skyroam Solis, you will not have a need to buy a foreign SIM card for your cell phone.
Okay.
You will not be charged any roaming charges.
Oh, nice.
And it is rated the best mobile Wi-Fi hotspot on the market.
Nice. So far, we're saving money, and it's the best. Okay.
Now, I will preface all of this with, we are not sure at this point whether or not this will work properly on the cruise when it's out in the middle of the ocean. So, because we haven't tested it ourselves.
Right.
We've read a whole bunch of reviews. We've heard about the product from some of our subscribers. And it looks really interesting.
It does. It does.
Looks really, really interesting. What it offers and affords people is unlimited 4G LTE service in over 130 countries.
Sweet.
So 4G LTE, I know you're not familiar with it.
I have no clue.
And frankly, it's a little bit older technology.
Okay.
So cell phones started out with 2G.
Right.
Okay. And that's the speed, how fast it goes. 3G was next.
All I see on TV, 4G. All day long is 4G, but 5G.
5G is out
now.
now.
The latest thing.
It's
5G.
the latest thing. They're working on 6G right now.
Moly.
It's because we're in a society, we want everything fast, quick.
Lord.
And the better the speed, the more people can get on. And that will bring me to my next point.
Which is kind of exciting.
So a lot of these Wi-Fi spots do not allow multiple users. This particular one allows up to 5 devices to be connected.
Nice. See, that's
it doesn't mean 5 people. It means 5 devices. And so, for example, if we went and we hooked up the Skyroam Solis, sorry, I had a hard time saying that, the Skyroam Solis, we could hook up your cell phone, my cell phone, my iPad, your iPad,
and the laptop.
Yeah. So it would be 5 devices total could access the Wi-Fi spot. You could even share it with a friend if you wanted to.
Right. And it also works as a basic portable charger.
It does.
So that's cool.
It has an integrated 6,000 mAh power bank, which is I believe that's megahertz. I'm not, or mega amps. So our little power stick that we take,
Right.
that I can get
that little thing.
7 charges out of,
Right.
that's a 5,000.
Okay.
So this is bumped up even
Okay.
more, and you can use it to charge your
Cool.
phone or tablet, or I'm sure you could use it to charge your laptop.
Cool.
So I think that's really great.
Right.
Now there are multiple plans available, right?
As I would anticipate there would be.
So once you go to Amazon, if you look at all of that, you'll see the plans. Now, the
Okay.
one plan that I thought was of note that we would tell everybody about was the global plan, which is unlimited Wi-Fi for $9 a day.
Oh, wow.
So you can do it per day. You can
Right.
do a per day. You can do a per month. You
Okay.
can do by the gig.
Okay.
So the gig is how much information you're using. So there are some different plans. I don't think this would be something people would use instead of internet at home, but it's great because you're using it for travel.
Right.
Right?
Because the coverage, it covers North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia.
Well, good day, mate.
Yo, that's a lot of coverage, mate.
It's a lot of coverage. And the cool thing that I thought, the coolest thing in my opinion, because there's not a lot of products that are made in the United
Right.
States anymore, is this product was created in the United States. They designed it in Germany. So they came up with the idea in the
Right.
United States. They took it to German
Our
engineers.
German friends and said, hey, do what you do best.
And they made a sleek, compact unit.
It is a little round thing.
And it's produced in China. So obviously, a lot of things are manufactured in China. It keeps the costs down. But it originated in the United States.
Cool. Great ideas, people. Americans.
Like we said before, this product is available on Amazon. And if you want more information about it, because there's quite a bit of information
Yes.
on that Amazon link, the link will be where? Where's the link? The link is in the description.
Description below.
Right? And we want everybody to click that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and make sure that you have activated that bell.
That's right. Ding-a-ling-ling.
Don't be a ding-a-ling. Make sure you're getting regular notifications
And
of when our videos go live.
Right. And remember, you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat.
But until next time, we want to remind everybody to always
Travel safe.
and cruise often.